Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about logic gates. What is meant by logic gate? Logic gate is a device that acts as a building block for the digital electronic circuits. They also perform basic logical functions that are the fundamental to the digital electronic circuit. Logic gates makes decisions with their combination of digital signals coming from its input. Most of the logic gate have two inputs and one output. Logic gates uses binary numbers such as 0 and 1. Throughout my explanation, I am going to use the binary number 0 for off and the binary number 1 for on. Logic gates are used in the circuits involving computation and processing. They are also used in push button switches and they are used in the functioning of street lights. They are used in burglar alarms, washing machine, etc. In this video, we are going to see about one of the logic gate called OR gate and its opposite gate called NOR gate. Let's start. Here I have taken a simple electrical circuit with push button switches. Two push button switches, one lamp or bulb, and it is connected to power supply. This is not an electronic circuit, but this simple electrical circuit can be used to study the function of OR gate, and this is the symbol for OR gate. OR gate has two inputs and one output. Here is the truth table. Truth table can be used to find all the possible inputs and the corresponding output of OR gate. So with this simple circuit, we can deduce the outputs using various inputs. So here one switch input is A and another switch input is B. Right. Here I am going to use the binary number 1 for on and the binary number 0 for off. It may vary. Sometimes in the exam they give 1 for high and 0 for low. So it changes, it may vary. Okay. Now you can see this bulb is not glowing because both switches are off. Means input A off, input B off, bulb is not glowing, so the output is 0, that is off. So let me on A. Now you can see input A is on, input B is off, but the output is on because the bulb is glowing. So let me make this input A 0. So input A 0. Let's make the input B on, and now also this bulb is glowing, so it is on. Let's make both 0. Now I am going to make both switches on and let's observe what happens. Now both switches are on, so the bulb is glowing, so the output will be on. So this is the possible inputs and output for this OR gate. When any one input is on, then the output is on. When both inputs are off, then the output will be off. So this is the truth table for OR gate. The opposite of OR gate is known as NOR gate. The only difference with the symbol is NOR gate will have some circle in front here. So all other things are same. So the opposite of OR gate will be NOR gate. So we are not going to use any circuit to detect the truth table. Once you are thorough with OR gate, and the truth table means you can easily deduct the truth table of NOR gate, because here if the output is 0, then in NOR gate it will be opposite of OR gate, so here the output will be 1. Here the outputs are 1, then here for NOR gate the output will be opposite, so here the output will be 0. Let's do it. 0 0 means for OR gate output is 0, but here NOR gate 1. Here 1 0 means for OR gate output is 1, but opposite is 0 for NOR gate. Then here 0 1 means for OR gate the output is 1, opposite for NOR gate is 0. Then 1 1, the output for OR gate is 1, opposite for NOR gate is 0. So in this way, the truth table of NOR gate can be deducted using the truth table of OR gate. I hope you got it. Let's try few questions from OR gate and NOR gate. Try this first question. The truth table for a logic gate is shown. Which type of logic gate is it? Your time starts now. The correct answer is B, that is NOR gate. According to the truth table of NOR gate, the output will be on only when both inputs are off. So the answer is B, that is NOR gate. Try this second question. The truth table for a logic gate is shown. Which type of logic gate is it? Your time starts now. The correct answer is D, that is OR gate. According to our experiment, we got the truth table as this. So this truth table belongs to OR gate. Try this last question. What does the symbol shown represent? Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. This is the symbol for NOR gate. I hope you got some knowledge about OR gate and NOR gate. Thank you.